Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another review. Today is Saturday and it's the holiday season, I gather, so companies are doing Saturday deliveries. Give me a second. I see this light about to fall, so I had to fix it. But yeah, stores are doing Saturday deliveries. So I got this just now at my doorstep. So let's go ahead and open it and check it out. Man, the crazy part about it, I'm gonna be honest, like I had got out being impatient and end up hitting on 43 Einhalb. I can't pronounce that store. It's a European store, and I hit on these, the color that I really wanted, the light blue, powder blue with the black writing on it. And with the taxes and shit, with their fees, it came out to like $290. And then the next morning I see everywhere that the shoe dropped and they were cheap and they were below retail and all this. So I canceled my order. I went back and asked them, can I cancel my order? And they allowed me to cancel the order. And then when I went to go find my size for the discounted prices, of course, my size was gone on most sites. So then I ended up finding them for retail at Livestock. So shout out to the good people at Livestock for the pickup. So I can't complain. I didn't get the color that I originally wanted, but I'm not mad at this color neither. So the only ones that I didn't really want at all was the white color. I didn't want those because they get dirty quick, as you can see on feet right now. Well, you probably can't see because I can't lift my foot all the way up. I'm wearing the BBC Human Race right now, and let's check these out. Yeah, I like these, man. Human Race, it's the black colorway. I got a slide already open for them. These are nice, man. I like this color, actually. I seen them, but I was shooting for those blue ones. But then when I saw these and really looked at, because I saw them all, but my heart was set on the blue ones. But looking at these in person, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I like these joints. Yeah, I can rock these. These joints are hard. I think this is the Inspirational pack. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I was trying to look online on some sites to see what it stands for, what the writing on here stands for, if you can see it, but I still don't know. So if anybody know, you can put it in the comments for me and help me out. But I don't know what it says in the on the shoe, but I had to have them. I had to have these. It's a lot going on in the city today too. They had a Travis Scott pop-up shop going on. If you follow me on Instagram, on my Instagram, I posted a picture with all they selling at the pop-up shop. Travis Scott 4s, the blue ones, a couple of Air Force Ones, but more so, man, this is my third pair. As you can see right here, I got these already, and then I'm wearing the BBC ones right now, and then I also got the Human Race Ultra Boost. So, you know what I'm saying? I like these Pharrell joints, man. All the Pharrell joints, if I could, I'd get every last colorway, every last one of them. I like them. I just like the shoe. I like the style. They're comfortable. It's like the Ultra Boost and the NMD together. I like how they do the lacing, because I've never laced these. I leave it like that and just slide my foot in them. I mean, they're comfortable, man. Just what more could you ask for? But if you like the review, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page, man. It's gonna be a week. I'm probably gonna be putting out some videos this week. I hit on the early Concord release, so I will have Concords probably Monday. I got the Rookie of the Year ones coming this week, and then I won the raffle for the Sesame Yeezys. Finish Line do they raffle early, so I already hit on a Finish Line raffle for the Sesame pair of Yeezys, so I will be going to pick my pair up. So I'll be taking y'all with me to go check those out. And that's pretty much it, man. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the page, and until the next release, you guys be cool.